I'm back again, guys. This is another pre-injector removal video on the 300D. What I did was I took off, you got your turbo right here, down there, and you have an intake pipe that runs across, and then you had your intake manifold. This is the intake manifold, and this is the cross intake pipe. So this fit right there. What I did was take this off and I cleaned it out with carb cleaner and scrapers. There was a lot of gunk from the EGR and PCV valve, which I deleted the PC valve a couple weeks ago. And then I did the same thing for the intake manifold. I also cleaned the outside. Inside I use scrapers. I use this scraper here, even screwdrivers to get inside here and scrape all the grime as much as I could. And then I used scrapers also carefully, not to damage the aluminum housing, but I got in here and wiped and used gunk and everything, soaked it. Took a lot of work just to clean all this. But what I'm doing now is over here on the intake port side. It's very hard to see, but those are the intake ports. You got your injectors here. The injector removal will happen in a few days, but I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So you got your intake ports. I'm gonna take the scraper. I'm gonna scrape down inside, see if I can get anything. And right there, if it comes into focus, is what I'm getting. I'm doing this. I'm scraping out and cleaning all these ports. I'm getting all this crud. I'm trying to make this as clean as possible, and it's very tedious job to do, but it needs to be done for everything to run smoothly, and the car should run a lot better. If you take the time to clean out all these things, your car should breathe clean, fresh air and run much better, smoke less better, get better gas mileage, be more efficient. That's what you want. So take your time, clean out all these parts if you're doing this job, and I highly recommend it on these older diesel Mercedes. And any questions, comment, hit the like button if you like what I'm posting, and subscribe. Take care, guys.